Good morning, respected principal sir, all elders, and my dear friends. Today I am going to present a small narration on Dandi March or Salt Satyagraha. The 1882 Salt Act gave the British a monopoly in the manufacture and sale of salt. Even though salt was freely available on the coasts of India, Indians were forced to buy it from the colonizers and had to pay salt tax. Then Gandhiji and many other people thought that the salt tax was unfair to the people. Salt March is also called Dandi March or Salt Satyagraha. It was a major non-violent protest action in India led by Sri Mahatma Gandhi from March 12, 1930 to April 5th, 1930. The Salt March began with around 80 people from Sabarmati Ashram to Dandi, which was 390 kilometer long journey, and later it grew into a strong force of around 50,000 people. On 6th April 1930, Mahatma Gandhi with followers broke the salt law by generating salt from seawater. The main effects of Salt March or Salt Satyagraha were in Western India. Also, the Indian freedom struggle came into limelight. A lot of people came together and protest for the same cause, including women, depressed class. The movement showed the power of non-violence in fighting against colonialism for the freedom struggle. The Satyagraha teachings of Gandhiji and the march to Dandi had significant influence on American activities. Martin Luther King Jr. and others during the civil rights movement for civil rights for African Americans and other minority groups in the 1960s. Now I am going to speak few words about our great leader Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose was born in a wealthy and prominent Bengali family in Cuttack, now in Odisha. On January 23, 1897, Subhash Chandra Bose studied at Presidency College, Calcutta and Scottish Churches College. He was sent to University of Cambridge in England to prepare for the Indian Civil Service. In 1920, he passed the Civil Service examination, but in April 1921, he resigned for civil services and came back to India to fight against the British. Subhash Chandra Bose joined in non-cooperation movement and became one of the militant wing leader of Indian National Congress. Subhash Chandra Bose is also called as Netaji. Subhash Chandra Bose, along with Jawaharlal Nehru, became two general secretaries of Indian National Congress. Subhash Chandra Bose is known as for his role in India's independence movement. He is a leader of the Indian National Congress. He was part of a militant wing and voted for Scottish policies. Subhash Chandra Bose founded and organized Azad Hind Fauj, Indian National Army, comprising mainly of Indian prisoners of war in the year 1942 to fight against the British. British, he raised a slogan, Dilli Chalo, and give me blood, I will give you freedom. Subhash Chandra Bose wrote the famous book, The Indian Struggle. Netaji was fluent in many Indian languages. Subhash Chandra Bose's struggle for Indian freedom proved to be an inspiration not just for India but also